Hi, I'm the Daily Joker, and here's your joke of the day. A newlywed farmer and his wife were visited by her mother, who immediately demanded an inspection of the place. The farmer had genuinely tried to have a friendly, non-antagonistic relationship with his new mother-in-law. But alas, this was not to be. Immediately upon arrival, the mother-in-law demanded changes here and there, nagged about everything at every corner, gave unwanted advice, and generally made their lives a living hell. While walking through the barn during this unwanted inspection, the farmer's mule reared up and kicked the mother-in-law in the head, killing her instantly. This was a shock to all, no matter their feelings toward her demanding ways. At the funeral service a few days later, the farmer stood next to the casket as people walked by. The pastor noticed that whenever a woman walked by, she would whisper something to the farmer and he would nod his head yes and say something. Whenever a man walked by, he would whisper something to the farmer would shake his head no and mumble something. This confused the pastor, and after the funeral service went up to the farmer to ask him what that was all about. The farmer replied, "Well, whenever the women came up to me, they said, 'Such a terrible tragedy.' I would nod my head and say, 'Yeah, it was.' Whenever a man came up to me, they would ask, 'Hey, can I borrow that mule?' I would shake my head and say, 'Can't. Booked up for a whole year.'"